Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my husband Josh here for a very special video for two reasons. First, I did hit 500,000 or 500,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, so this is kind of like a giveaway video. And we also actually just got back from New York City, and I, for once, got you to buy something for himself.
And something actually fit me, so it was like a win-win.
Yeah, so we're gonna be doing a double unboxing. I have something from Fendi, and he has something from Gucci.
Nice.
So since my channel kind of started off in like the luxury world, I really like luxury handbags. I figured this was the perfect video to kind of combine with my 500,000 giveaway video.
I would also like to say at this time, I'm super proud of you. I tell you all the time, but I'm super proud of you. I'm sure you guys are have enjoyed the journey as well, but for me, it's been very, very amazing to watch her kind of just blow up, and it's been awesome. So I love you, and I'm proud of you.
Well, thank you. That's very nice. I couldn't have done it without him and my mom and some of my friends. It's just, but especially you. Like seriously, he helps me a lot. People don't understand how much he helps me, but he does a lot. Anyway, let's just jump into the giveaway. I'll put all of the instructions below of how to enter. It's gonna be super easy like normal, but if you're wondering what I'm giving away, I decided to do $500 cash or like to a PayPal winner. It just seems like that's the best because you can totally pick whatever you want, and 500 seems perfect since I hit 500,000 subscribers. And then I also want to have a second winner who will be winning an iPad because I just thought that that would be a really cool gift. It's about 500 bucks. It makes sense. So it'll be like the full regular iPad, and you can pick what color you want. And yeah, so there'll be two winners. You have to be subscribed to my channel, obviously. Comment down below that you want to be entered, and you also have to be following me on my Instagram account. So I'll have a giveaway photo, and just comment on that giveaway photo to be entered as well. So anyway, I think that's it. Good luck to you.
I want to win.
Yes. But thank you guys so much for ever like following me, subscribing, watching any of my videos. YouTube has kind of changed my life in such an amazing way. It's just like a part of my life now, and I love it. And I don't want to go on and on because people kind of want to see what we unbox, but I just want you guys to know how thankful I am for all of this. Alrighty, so on to the unboxings.
Right. Who should go first?
I think
I should go first because mine isn't as good.
You're right.
Yours is better.
Mine is cool.
Yeah,
I mean, yours. I love yours.
No, I'm very happy with mine as well. Okay, so my item is something I've been looking for a while, and I've been trying to find.
He just said what it was. We edited it out. You can't say what it is until you unbox it.
I don't know.
So let's not preface. People don't like prefacing with unboxings.
I understand. It's Gucci.
It's Gucci. Let's just open it, and then you can briefly say, sorry, I'm instructing you how to do this.
I need instructions. So everything is Gucci in life.
Yes. Well, Josh really does. This is Gucci. So this is like this is actually the one thing that you have purchased.
Yeah.
Other than this, the necklace.
No,
There's
I don't
like
have any
nothing.
other Gucci. No.
Pretty much.
Anyway, so here it is. It's a box, and I'm going to unbox it. Without further ado, I bought a shoehorn. That's it. It is. How do people do this gracefully?
So, it's a shoe. What is it?
It's a driver.
Okay.
It's a classic Gucci driver. So I was between these and the Jordans. I've probably looked at these and the Jordans probably half a dozen times, but I just have so many like classic loafers that I needed a new driver. And black is a good color. I went between black and blue. I decided on black because it's freaking classic.
So classic.
I mean, it's kind of like an iconic shoe. If you're looking for a good shoe to give to a man or other person in your life.
It's like a little investment, but I think he dresses well, like really well to begin with, but this, I'm telling you, he's gonna put the shoe on to go to work and
the only other thing I would say is these kind of shoes seem very expensive, but before I started buying like good quality shoes, I don't buy anything like insanely crazy expensive, but I used to buy like average shoes that would last like a year and then they would just deteriorate. So to be honest, these shoes last 3, 4, 5 times as long, especially with a soled shoe.
And he only knows that, I guess you don't know that because you don't have a Gucci shoe, but there are some other brands that
I have several Italian-made shoes, and so anything that has a sole that's Italian-made, anyways, you can reuse the sole or you can get the sole redone. So anyways, these shoes will last a long time if you take care of them.
Fingers crossed. We don't really know.
That's true. Gucci, they better last a long freaking time. So I'm happy with this purchase. I felt good about it. I thought about this for a while. So I think that's the other key that you said a bunch of times. It's not like I just walked in and bought it. I've looked at the shoe, like I said, 10 times. So I'm freaking thrilled. and I kind of want to wear it right now.
Now we're gonna move on to my next two things. The first thing is like this. It's okay. I have two bags. I have two bags to show you.
You just broke the rules. You can't announce what they are.
I know, but everyone wants to see a bag. I mean, I want to see a bag. You don't know what bag I got, but the first thing is it's super, super affordable. It's just, I saw it and I fell in love with it, and I just wanted to show you guys what it is because it's just so awesome. So this bag is from H&M, and I don't know what it is, but I love it, and it was like $19, and it comes with like a short strap, a long strap, and inside it has like a wallet. It's clearly like kind of a trendier piece, but it comes with a wallet attached, and I don't know what it is. I just felt like this was the perfect fall bag for like 20 bucks. And I don't know, a lot of times on my channel, I only show like higher end bags, but I just want you guys to know that you don't always have to buy a very expensive bag to look chic and stylish. So when I saw this at H&M, I don't know, I had to have it. And yeah, I'll link it down below because I think they just released it and I love it.
And without further ado, should we have an actual drum roll?
I did buy something from Fendi yet again. Now I know I already purchased something from Fendi and I ended up selling it. It just didn't work out for me. That was Josh's favorite bag.
I'm still upset about it.
I know. You don't even really care ever like what I buy,
I
but like
don't.
you really like that Fendi bag,
I did.
and I loved the way it looked. It just, there was, I don't know, I just didn't grab it. There was just something that I didn't like about what, like when I wore it, I don't know. But when I sold the Fendi bag, a part of me felt sad because I just really like Fendi, like a lot. So we went to New York City this past weekend, and I kind of had something in the back of my head that I wanted, and it was like in my head, and every time we went to different Fendi stores, they never had it until the very last day. We walked in, and I don't even know really why we were in that area. I'm not really sure, but we ended up walking in, and I saw it there, and
the music played.
the music played, and I was so happy. So again, I'm breaking my own rules. I've prefaced too much. So the bag is in here. Here's the dust bag. So what it is the Fendi Can I bag. And it's so freaking beautiful with like the larger strap, the Fendi logo, like the hint of red. It's just stunning. I love the size. It is kind of like a structured flap bag, and the inside holds a considerable amount. It does come in a smaller size with a chain strap, but I didn't really like that as much. And as you guys know, I have so many crossbody bags and so many smaller bags. And I don't know, I just kind of wanted a bag that would hold a little bit more, but I don't have anything with a larger strap. And I also like how with Fendi, you can actually buy additional straps and kind of jazz it up that way. Or you could just completely remove this altogether, and then you can just carry it like this. So you guys know I love having bags and wearing them different ways, and this bag fits that bill. You can wear it many, many ways. You can hold so much, and I just really, really, really love the look of it. And it finally puts a Fendi bag back in my collection. This bag just really spoke to me and kind of made my heart happy, and that's kind of what you have to do when you make kind of like a big purchase. This is definitely one of those investment pieces. Not like I'm actually making money on this bag, but you guys know what I mean.
And you deserve it, okay? That's what it boils down to.
Thank you.
You deserve it.
So I don't think I'm gonna sell this bag. I really don't think I am. I mean, never say never, but I don't know.
Can I see the bag?
You may see the bag.
That was such a dad joke.
That was such a dad joke. But anyway, so that is our double.
It's lighter than I thought. That's what I would say in this video. People want to know if it's heavy or not. It's light. It feels light. It feels very nice, actually. I actually didn't hold it until right now. So I'm glad I asked, can I see this bag?
Oh, and when I did finally find this bag, they did say that they kept getting this bag in the store, and within like an hour or two, it would be sold. So this was very recently released, and they can't keep it in stock. So I will try and link it down below. I think last time I checked, you can order it online, but maybe at this point it's out of stock. But I don't know. I'm just really, really, really happy about it. So anyways, I guess that is our double unboxing and the giveaway video. So don't forget to enter the giveaway. I would love for you guys to do that. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Josh, for joining me. It's always so much more fun to film a video with him. I want to have him in more videos. I get a lot of those requests.
I know. You gotta keep it spaced out though.
I know.
People get used to it, and it's like boring.
I also am trying to
in.
get him into like the second family vlog channel.
We'll see.
Guys.
Foreshadowing maybe.
Guys, you gotta talk him into it here. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.